Vanakkam. Today I am going to show you Bharatanatyam classical dance mudras, which is known as single-handed mudras. Asamyuda Hastangal. Pataham, Tirupataham, Ardhapataham, Kartari Muham, Mayuram, Arthachandiran, Aralam, Shugadundam, Mushti, Shigaram, Kabittam, Kataka Muham, Kataka Muham, Susi, Chandrakala, Batmakosha, Alabatma, Sarvashishya, Mirghasishya, Simha Muham, Kankulam, Mukulam, Trishulam, Brahmaram, Hamsasiyam, Hamsapakshakam, Samtamsam, Chaturam, Tamarai Shootam, Ardhasusi, Vyakram. Next, I am going to show you double-handed mudras. Samyuda Hastangal. Anjali, Anjali, Anjali. Kabodam, Karkatam, Swastikam, Dholam, Pushpaputam, Utsangam, Utsangam, Shivalingam, Katakabhardhanam, Kartari Swastikam, Shakkatam, Sang, Chakkaram, Shambhutam, Pasam, Keelaham, Matchiyam, Kurmam, Varaham, Nagabandhu, Khatwa, Garudan, Perundam, Avahititam. Nandri.